So there's our mutton bird, or Titi. Fairly nice bird. Probably not grade A, but still pretty fat. You can see that fat on there. It's got a very strong fishy anchovy smell. So what we're going to do is we're just going to place it in the cold water. Then I'm going to take it over. So we're just going to put that on high. I'm going to boil that for half an hour and then I'm going to pour the water off. So yeah, the bird's been boiling for half an hour. You can see a lot of fat on the top there. There's tons of it. So that's the fat rendering. Also boils out the salt because these are really salty. So what we're going to do now is going to take this and we're going to pour that water off, and it's going to repeat the whole process. So we've boiled the mutton bird for half an hour. That's what it looks like at the moment. I couldn't quite help myself and I had to keep the fat from the top. There'll be some use for that, surely. We had to boil the bird because they're salted to preserve them. And unless you can handle extreme levels of salt, which I'm pretty high up on that scale, it still just gets too salty. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the cooked bird back in the cold water. Back over onto the oven. And back on high. And I want to boil it again. Same process for half an hour. So you can see the bird's boiled again for half an hour. Not much fat this time. But anyway, we'll just take it over here. Put you down for a second. Pour off the water. And grab that mutton bird. And we'll just place it down gently just there. So yeah, we could have gone halfway through the stage of the boiling and added puha or watercress and made a big boil up and added our veggies and stuff, but tonight I'm just gonna try a different way, and just because there's not a lot of people around because of the lockdowns to share a big boil up with, so I'm gonna go with my veggies and my mutton bird, and I'm gonna fry them all. Got a couple of pans ready over there, so we'll show you that in a minute. So yeah, we've got our feed on. Different way of having the mutton bird. Pretty extravagant because of the cost of the bird, but I'll eat half that bird and half those veggies. I'm sure I won't deviate from that. But anyway, there we are. We're frying off the skin on the searing pan over here on that mutton bird. We just want to crisp that skin right up. Then we're going to get the amazing flavours that come out of that. And then over here we just got some nice little young potatoes and some nice in-season asparagus, which I've been hooked on at the moment. I've just been eating like 6 bundles of those a week. They're delicious. So yeah, we'll have to show you the final product. So there it is. That's the finished kai. And look at that. Crisped as skin, golden potatoes, fresh asparagus. We can't go wrong with that. And I just put that whole bird on there for display. I'm only going to eat half of it, I promise. Okay? Alright. Good night, everyone.